Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, ban pin yo i kubor na ke jylla. Ka Jingialang Regional Committee jong ka jingiapynbeit put Hapdeng ka West Khasi Hills District Meghalaya, bat ka Kamrup Rural District Assam, kila kynduh sien kaba mynta ka sngi ka arpu tarik nailar hajar arpulai, nongbah shillong. Chandra Mohan Patowary, ubalong myntri ka sorkar Assam, bat khlieh ka Regional Committee jong ka Kamrup Sector, lamkhmat na liang ka Assam, ban na liang ka jylla Meghalaya pan, lamkhmat da myntri ka sorkar jylla Bah Paul Lyngdoh, khlieh ka Regional Committee jong ka West Khasi Hills District. Katei ka jingialang, kila hadien pakut ka dorbar senrai jong baru arteli ki jylla, ki Regional Committee jong baru liang, kinlait banjingo iki Shnong Kiba don Hapdeng ka Jingiakajia put.
And to go to specifics, that is to go to the exact villages, names of villages or hamlets, the two DCs as well as the local MDC have been entrusted with the task of preparing a list, which will then the two regional committees will again meet after the end of the assembly sessions. Both Assam and Meghalaya have assembly sessions in the month of September, but towards the end of September, we will go for an on-site visit. The areas we will try to cater to 4 or 5 villages and choose a central point as the meeting point, and we'll then go on a few of these site visits in the month of September. So briefly, that was the content on the discourse that happened today. So, Mr. Patowary, anything to say?
MLAs and MCLAs and other officials, and our team also consists of our deputy commissioners Kamrup and SP Kamrup, and the guardian secretary Kamrup is also an IS officer, Sri Lakshmanan. So we had a very cordial discussion today, and we have narrowed down the gap actually. Previously it was a huge gap actually. Now it is narrowed down, and I hope after assembly session of Meghalaya and Assam, because in September assembly sessions of Meghalaya Assembly and Assam Assembly will start. So after the assembly session, we will visit the area and we fix up the date and visit the area, and after visiting the area, I hope the discussion will conclude the discussion, and we will arrive in a final conclusion of the meeting. So today's discussion was very cordial and very good, of course, and I'd like to extend thanks to Honorable Minister Meghalaya, Bah Paul Lyngdoh, and his team for organizing the meeting in such a beautiful manner. So I extend my thanks to him, and I hope that this area, Khasi Hills area problem will be solved within very short time after the visit is done. Thank you so much.